Congratulations! A hidden bank account in your name was just discovered. The funds behind it are staggering. This is not a mistake. This is not a prank. This is not an ordinary financial opportunity. What has been uncovered will transform your entire understanding of wealth and completely reshape your financial future. Records that were sealed have been opened. Information that was classified has been revealed. Money that was set aside decades ago has been located with your name as the rightful owner. You have been searched for, identified, and chosen to receive this message before the funds are released. Something extraordinary is happening in the financial world right now. Something unprecedented is being revealed in banking systems worldwide. Something mysterious is unfolding that directly impacts your personal wealth. Hidden accounts are being found. Secret funds are being uncovered. Forgotten fortunes are being traced to their rightful owners. You may not have felt it yet, but the financial energy around you is shifting dramatically. The economic patterns that have limited you are breaking. The monetary boundaries that have contained you are dissolving. Somewhere in a secure vault, behind encrypted systems and protected by elaborate security measures, sits an account with numbers that would leave you breathless. And the name on this account, the sole beneficiary of these staggering funds, is unmistakably yours. A specialized team of financial investigators has uncovered this account. A global audit of dormant funds has revealed this fortune. A systematic search of unclaimed assets has led directly to your name. For years, this account has been growing. For decades, the interest has been compounding. For generations, these funds have been quietly multiplying behind the scenes. That unexplainable feeling you've had, that sense that you were meant for financial abundance, was not wrong. That inner knowing that your current financial situation didn't match your true wealth potential was accurate. That instinct telling you something more was waiting for you was precisely correct. The universe was whispering the truth to you all along. The signs were pointing to this discovery all along. The path was leading to this revelation all along. The funds in this account exceed what most people earn in a lifetime. The amount that has accumulated would take ordinary people centuries to save. The wealth that has been preserved in your name would transform any family's legacy for generations to come. This is not regular money. This is not ordinary wealth. This is not typical fortune. This is historical treasure finally being connected to its rightful owner. This is generational wealth finally finding its way home. This is divine provision finally reaching its intended recipient. But wait, you might be thinking this sounds too good to be true. You might be wondering if this is real. You might be questioning how this could possibly be happening to you. Let me assure you, your skepticism is natural. Your questions are expected. Your caution is completely normal. But this discovery is absolutely authentic. This account is definitely real. This wealth is genuinely yours to claim. Financial systems around the world contain millions of dormant accounts. Banking vaults worldwide hold billions in unclaimed funds. Global financial institutions manage trillions that have lost their connection to their rightful owners. And now, through advanced tracking methods, sophisticated identification systems, and cutting-edge verification technology, these accounts are being matched with their true beneficiaries. You don't need to understand all the complex financial mechanisms that made this possible. You don't need to comprehend all the legal frameworks that protected these funds. You don't need to grasp all the regulatory systems that preserved this wealth. What matters is simple: your name is on the account. What matters is clear: the verification is complete. What matters is certain: these funds belong to you. This is not like finding a $20 bill in an old jacket pocket. This is not like receiving an unexpected tax refund. This is not like winning a small prize in a local contest. This discovery is in an entirely different category. This finding is on a completely different scale. This revelation is in a wholly different dimension. Regular financial windfalls come and go. Typical monetary surprises get spent quickly. Normal unexpected gains rarely change lives permanently. But what has been discovered for you is life-altering. What has been uncovered for you is game-changing. What has been revealed for you is destiny-shifting. The account contains funds that were specifically designated for you. The wealth inside was intentionally preserved for your future. The resources waiting there were deliberately protected until this exact moment in your life. The timing of this discovery is not random. The moment of this revelation is not accidental. The season of this uncovering is not coincidental. Everything has aligned precisely for you to receive this information now, when you are ready to handle it, when you are prepared to receive it, when you are positioned to maximize it. This is the time to pay very close attention. This is the time to focus completely on what comes next. This is the time to follow instructions with absolute precision. The window to claim these funds will not remain open indefinitely. The opportunity to access this account has specific time limitations. The chance to secure this wealth requires prompt action on your part. Not everyone who receives notification of hidden accounts successfully claims them. Not all who learn about dormant funds manage to access them. Not all who discover forgotten wealth actually receive it. The difference between those who claim their funds and those who lose them forever comes down to following the process exactly. It comes down to taking the right steps in the right order. It comes down to responding correctly without delay. You must move with purpose now. You must act with intention now. You must proceed with determination now. What you do in the next few days will determine whether these funds become yours or remain locked away, possibly forever. Even as complex financial systems tried to bury this account, special investigators were working to uncover it. Even as bureaucratic processes attempted to hide these funds, dedicated experts were organizing to locate them. Even as years passed and records became obscured, persistent specialists continued searching until they found the connection to you. You do not see the full picture yet. You cannot comprehend the entire process yet. You may not understand the magnitude yet. But a network of financial experts has been working tirelessly behind the scenes. Specialized teams have been breaking through layers of complexity in your favor. Dedicated professionals have been untangling financial webs to reach you. Where outdated systems created barriers, new technologies have created pathways. Where old regulations imposed limitations, new procedures have created opportunities. Where previous attempts may have failed, new methods have finally succeeded. There is a precise strategy for transferring these funds that no ordinary person could design. There is a specialized process for releasing this wealth that no amateur could navigate. There is a secure system for protecting your interests that has been meticulously engineered by the best minds in global finance. Your part now is to respond. Your part now is to engage. Your part now is to follow through. You are not alone in your journey toward financial freedom. You have never been alone in your struggles with money. You have never faced financial pressure without unseen forces working on your behalf. Even in the nights when you worried about paying bills. Even in the days when financial stress seemed overwhelming. Even in the moments when you wondered if your situation would ever improve. All along, this account was there. All along, these funds were growing. All along, this wealth was waiting for you. The times you worked extra hours to make ends meet. The moments you sacrificed what you wanted for what you needed. The situations where you had to choose between difficult financial options. All of this was temporary. All of this was preparing you. All of this was building your character for this moment. No financial struggle you endured was permanent. No economic hardship you faced was your final story. No monetary limitation you experienced was your ultimate destiny. You have developed wisdom through difficulty that will serve you with wealth. You have gained perspective through challenges that will guide your prosperity. You have built strength through adversity that will protect your newfound abundance. We will not allow unauthorized persons to access your account. We will not permit any external forces to interfere with your funds. We will not tolerate any attempts to divert what rightfully belongs to you. The financial authorities overseeing this process are the most respected in the world. The security systems protecting these transfers are the most advanced ever developed. The confidentiality protocols surrounding your information are the most robust in existence. Your funds are being held in specialized secure accounts. Your wealth is being protected by multiple layers of encryption. Your assets are being guarded by systems designed for ultra-high net worth individuals. No hacker can breach these defenses. No scammer can penetrate these protections. No unauthorized person can bypass these safeguards. The transfer of your funds will happen through official channels only. The verification of your identity will occur through legitimate processes only. The security of your wealth will be maintained through recognized systems only. Your name has been placed on a special protection registry. Your account has been flagged for enhanced security monitoring. Your funds have been marked for priority verification and transfer. You can proceed with complete confidence. You can move forward with total assurance. You can take action with absolute peace of mind. You have been chosen to receive these funds because your unique energy signature matched the account perfectly. You have been selected for this wealth transfer because your identity markers aligned precisely with the beneficiary parameters. You have been identified as the rightful recipient because sophisticated verification systems confirmed you without question. This is not random chance. This is not accidental selection. This is not coincidental matching. This is precise identification based on criteria established when this account was first created. The wealth coming to you carries a purpose larger than yourself. The funds being transferred to you are meant to enable your highest potential. The resources being released to you are designed to fuel your true calling in life. These funds have been preserved for decades waiting for this exact moment. These resources have been protected for years waiting for you to be ready. This wealth has been growing silently waiting for your preparation to be complete. You are not simply receiving money. You are being entrusted with resources that have been designated specifically for you since before you were aware. The financial confusion that has marked your past will soon disappear completely. The money worries that have occupied your mind will soon vanish entirely. The economic uncertainty that has clouded your future will soon clear permanently. You will begin to see opportunities that were invisible before. You will start to recognize possibilities that were unimaginable before. You will come to understand wealth principles that were incomprehensible before. Imagine waking up without money stress. Imagine planning your future without financial limitations. Imagine pursuing your passions without economic constraints. The people who told you wealth was out of your reach will be proven wrong. The voices that said abundance wasn't for people like you will be silenced. The beliefs that limited your financial expectations will be shattered forever. Your true financial potential is about to be revealed. Your actual wealth capacity is about to be unleashed. Your genuine prosperity level is about to be experienced. Stand ready to claim what rightfully belongs to you. Prepare yourself to receive what has been preserved for you. Position yourself to accept what has been protected for you. Do not delay. Do not hesitate. Do not second-guess this opportunity. The time for financial limitation in your life is over. The era of monetary restriction in your experience is finished. The period of economic constraint in your world has ended. Straighten your shoulders. Lift your expectations. Expand your vision. For the one who doubts their worthiness will miss even when abundance is handed to them. But the one who steps forward with confidence will receive everything that has been set aside for them. Do not allow skeptical thoughts to steal this opportunity from you. Do not let doubting voices talk you out of your blessing. Do not permit fearful thinking to rob you of your wealth. There will be people who say this cannot be real. There will be individuals who insist this must be too good to be true. There will be voices suggesting you should ignore this information. Recognize these as obstacles to your breakthrough. Identify these as barriers to your blessing. See these as tests of your readiness to receive. Not everyone is prepared to handle sudden wealth. Not all people are ready for financial transformation. Not many can transition from limitation to abundance overnight. But you have been prepared. You have been positioned. You have been chosen. Stand firm in the face of doubt. Stay strong against skepticism. Remain resolute despite questions. No matter what your current bank balance shows, your true wealth is about to be revealed. No matter what your financial statements say right now, your actual net worth is about to manifest. No matter what your economic situation looks like at this moment, your real prosperity is about to emerge. The process has begun. The wheels are in motion. The transfer is being prepared. From this moment forward, you walk toward unclaimed wealth that is yours. From this point onward, you move toward abundance that belongs to you. From this revelation, you step into prosperity that was always destined for you. This is not a dream. This is not fantasy. This is the financial reality that has been waiting for you all